Many, many years ago, local police auctioned off a large number of unclaimed bicycles. $1, an 11-year-old boy eagerly said as the bidding started for the first bike. Sadly, the prices quickly climbed higher. Each time a new bike was up for bidding, the boy eagerly yelled, $1! The officer, who had been auctioning lost or stolen bikes for years, noticed the boy's excitement. When there was only one bike left, the bidding reached $8. Suddenly the auctioneer just announced, "Sold!" to that boy over there for $9. The boy was confused until the officer took $8 from his own pocket. Then he asked the boy for his dollar. The boy handed over his dollar. He then took his new bike and started to leave. After going only a few feet, he carefully parked his bike, ran back to the officer, threw his arms around him and cried with gratitude.
Do you crave happiness? Do you sometimes struggle to find meaning and purpose in life? Stop resenting where your life is, or what others have done, or what you have done to damage your own life. Have the faith to turn outside of yourself. Follow Jesus' example and find happiness by loving others. Remember the simple act of kindness in our story. Remember that the boy and the auctioneer were happy because of the simple act of kindness. The Bible tells us in Hebrews, "Do not forget to do good and to share with others, for with such sacrifices God is pleased." When we get our lives off of selfish personal pleasures and put our energy towards blessing others, amazing things happen in our life. Do you worry that you're going to lose something by giving your time, money, or your stuff? Giving actually invites the great riches of the love of God into your life. Losing yourself in the service of others has the added benefit of revealing your true self. You're also making a life as you give to others. Jesus is doing his work through people who are willing to love just like you.